This is purely an entertainment channel, not a how-to channel. I'm new to turning, so if you see something, say something in the comments below. Canarywood. It's a piece of the wood we got from Amazon. Not super thick, but look at the colors in that, right? Should turn a nice little plate. We're going to do something a little different. We are going to use a glue block. I'm going to make this into a round and turn this first so that we can glue this on, turn it into a small plate.
When we wake,
let's get started.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
So, yeah, look at that. That's another finish that looks like it's wet, but it's dry. And look at the grain. That grain just looks awesome there. Look at that pop. Look at the shine. Not too fancy on the back. So this is the first time it's the first time I used a glue block. I'm not crazy about the glue block. I'm gonna try something different next time when I make a plate. First time using the sanding sealer, which wasn't bad. That I didn't mind too much, but the lacquer, the fumes, and trying to aerate the garage, it was a little bit more work than it was really worth, in my opinion. I think I'm going to stick with the oils and wax finishes. It almost looks just like this, really. But this little 6-inch bowl, kind of a plate, really. Turned out really great. I think it turned out nice. I like it. I hope you did too. If you did, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and that notification bell. And leave a comment. Let me know if you saw something I did wrong that I could have done better. And tell me what you think of this. And yeah, thanks for watching and giving me a turn on your screen. We'll see you next week. Hey, that turned out pretty thin. What's next? I don't know.